They told us luxury was about more space, more things, more noise. But somewhere along the way, we forgot what it feels like to simply exist. Out here, there is nothing to distract you. No chaos, no clutter, no excess. Just silence, stretching as far as the horizon itself. And in that silence, something shifts. You begin to notice the way light moves, slowly painting the walls in gold. The way shadows breathe, changing shape with every passing moment. The way time itself feels softer, quieter, almost weightless. This is where design stops shouting and starts listening. Every line has a purpose, every space has meaning. Nothing is added without intention, and nothing is taken for granted. Because true luxury was never about filling space, it was about creating it. Space to think, space to feel, space to finally hear yourself again. Here, the outside and inside are no longer separate. The horizon becomes part of your home, and the sky your ceiling. You don't escape the world, you reconnect with it. The warmth of the sun, the stillness of the air, the quiet rhythm of a life that isn't rushing anywhere. And maybe that's what we've been searching for all along. Not bigger, not louder, not more impressive, just real. Because when everything unnecessary falls away, what remains is something rare. Clarity. Peace, presence. This isn't just architecture, it's a reminder that less was never empty. Less was always everything. Welcome to a different kind of living. Welcome to modern homes and gardens.